A lot of you have trouble falling to sleep. Here are some of my favorite tips. First off, make sure you turn off all your phones, your iPads, and everything 1 hour before you fall asleep. It really helps. That blue light is not good for our eyes. And notice in my bedroom, I have no blue light. I have no alarm clock to look at that. I try to keep my eyes relaxed before I go to sleep. If you need an eye mask, that helps a lot of people too. Also reading a little bit. I read about 15 minutes before we fall asleep. And did you know that plants are really good oxygen in your bedroom? Fica tree, whatever you have. So do the best you can. Exercise and stretching at the end of the night does help, like a little yoga, a little stretching, deep breathing, a little meditation, a little prayer, whatever it's going to take to have you have a nice, good night's sleep.